Would you like to improve your trading with a strategy that's simple and effective? And this strategy will discuss a method that uses just 2 indicators and easy to use rules. Start by visiting TradingView.com. Pick any chart you prefer and choose a suitable time frame. Our strategy is based on a remarkable SSL hybrid indicator. To begin, head over to the indicators section on TradingView and search for SSL hybrid. Once you're located it, add it to your chart. And to optimize the SSL hybrid indicator's performance and maintains a clear chart, we need to fine-tune a few settings. Don't worry, these adjustments are straightforward and will enhance your trading experience. But now, before we trade using the strategy, another indicator is needed to be used. So, before we move on to using a confirmation indicator, I've got some exciting news to share. Here at TradeGenius, we've developed over 300 profitable trading strategies, each tailored to different trading styles. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and explore our content to find the perfect strategy for your trading approach. And if you found this video useful so far, please consider giving us a like. Your support keeps us motivated to create more valuable contents for traders like you. Now, let's get back to the strategy. Head back to the indicator section and this time add the 2 EMA plus 2 SMA indicator. The 2 EMA and 2 SMA indicator expertly combines 2 exponential moving averages and 2 simple moving averages, providing you with a reliable way to confirm market trends and filter out false signals. To optimize the indicator, just click on the little gear icon next to the indicator name and I'll help you adjust its settings. So, from the input section, set the EMA1 and EMA2 to 1. Then we will disable these 2 EMAs. After that, ensure the source is closed. Next, modify SMA1 to 90 and SMA2 to 180. Then go to the style section and disable MA1 and MA2 and customize the color and thickness of the remaining moving averages to your liking. So, with your indicators set up, let's explore how to make profitable buy trades using our simple strategy. So, first, always trend in the direction of an uptrend. Ensure that the SMA 90 is above the SMA 200 and confirm that the price candles are above both moving averages to avoid trading against the trend. So when we are in an uptrend, look for a buy signal on the chart. When the SSL hybrid line changes color from red to blue, signaling a potential uptrend. So once you have a buy signal aligned with the market's uptrend, it's time to enter a buy order. And to manage risk, set a stop loss below the recent swing low, the SMA 90 or the SMA 200, whichever suits the trading condition. This will help protect your investment. And when exiting the trade, to secure your profits, use the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, now to make a profitable sell trade using our strategy, follow these easy to understand rules. First, always trade in the direction of the downtrend. Ensure that the SMA 90 is below the SMA 200 and the price candles are below both moving averages. This will avoid trading against the trend. Then, identify a sell signal on the chart when the SSL hybrid line changes color from blue to red, indicating a potential downtrend. So, once you have sell signal aligned with the market's downtrend, it's time to enter a sell order. After that, protect your investment by setting a stop loss above either the recent swing high or above the SMA 90 or the SMA 200 lines, whichever suits your trading style. After that, secure your profit. Use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when closing the trade. This approach ensures your profit gains outweigh the risk involved. So, now you know the rules, but we've got some exciting results to share with you. I've tested the strategy on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and a reliable risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The findings prefer to be impressed. Out of 200 trades, we achieved an outstanding 61.5% win rate and a remarkable total profit of 187%. Throughout the 13-week testing period, our strategy demonstrated its potential with an impressive streak of 11 consecutive wins while limiting consecutive losses to just 4. But there's more. The profit factor comes in at an impressive 2.4, while the max drawdown stayed low at only 4.44%. These results highlighted the strategy's potential effectiveness in real-world trading scenario. With such promising results, we're confident that this strategy can help you make profitable trades in your own trading endeavors.